Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we're going to make a creamy dill pickle macaroni salad flavored with fresh dill, Dijon mustard, cheddar, and of course, dill pickle. It's a delicious salad that's great with grilled meats and perfect for any barbecue or potluck. The first thing we want to do is cook our macaroni in simmering, well-salted water. Well-salted meaning about a tablespoon of kosher salt added to 4 quarts of water. Cook the macaroni until it is al dente or just tender, but still has a slight bite to it. Once the macaroni is cooked, drain well and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. While the macaroni is cooking and cooling, it's a good time to mix up the dressing. Our dressing starts with mayonnaise, sour cream, onion powder, garlic powder, Dijon mustard, black pepper, salt, dill pickle juice, chopped fresh parsley, and chopped fresh dill. Using fresh here is recommended. And simply give it all a good stir. Add the cold, well-drained macaroni, cubed cheddar cheese, and diced dill pickles, and fold together. And you'll want to taste the salad and adjust your salt and pepper to your liking before adding to your serving bowl. And the salad will firm up and the flavors will meld as it sits. Garnish with freshly snipped chives or thinly sliced green onions. And a few more dill fronds are always nice. This wonderful pasta salad also makes a great lunch if you simply add a little bit of flaked tuna. It'll be a hit at your next barbecue or potluck, and it couldn't be simpler. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or you can visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.